Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip and opening Effect Controls. This places tracking tools front and center. Once done, enable the appropriate tracking parameter, motion for simple position, corner pin for perspective, so Premiere knows what to follow. Make sure to set the playhead at a clear reference frame, then add a tracking marker or point. This initial setup speeds the rest of the track and prepares you to analyze movement accurately across the sequence. You now run the track using Analyze Forward or Backward. Watch closely as markers adhere to the feature. If you see drift, pause on the offending frame and nudge the track point manually so it aligns. This prevents error accumulation. Once the track completes, use subframe corrections or switch motion interpretation if rotation or scale occurred. Make sure to scrub the clip at real speed to confirm tracking integrity before applying any attached effects or stabilized passes. You finish by applying the tracking data to your target, an effect, layer, or null object, and then render a short preview to inspect motion, scale, and rotation. If you notice jitter or slipping, first try retracking from a higher contrast frame or increase search area, then make small manual corrections where needed. If persistent errors remain, switch to manual keyframes for those sections, and use feathered masks or frame-by-frame tweaks to preserve.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.